Oh dear. Two Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango. Oh, it's crazy experiment.
Du premier tour de l'élection présidentielle sont tombés il y a quelques minutes. Les deux anciens présidents André Razzol et Marc Ravalomanan arrivent en tête. Ils se
It's so sensitive, this is. Oh. It's cracky. It's a Bitx, what was it? 40 meter radio kit that a chap, a friend of mine, and myself sort of designed, but he 3D printed and laser cut some of the parts for the case, and then together we built the rest of the radio and put the board together, and for a bit of fun really. This is snapped off. This is the microphone boom, so that needs a little bit of repair. It receives quite well. The output's only a few milliwatts, I think, or a few watts, if that. I can actually measure this, but I'm not sure how accurate my measuring equipment is. It is a bit crazy. It's got a mind of its own. It's a fun side project anyway, to build your own radio. If anybody can tell me why every now and again the frequency just ticks up on its own, like it's gone into auto mode. Like that. Must have some sort of auto mode where it just steps through the frequencies. There's a contest on, which is a good time for testing out your radio. Just trying to find somebody to have a no-go at. Oh, it keeps jumping about. Can't see very well with this light on. If I turn that light off, oh, that's even worse. Anyway, that was my side project over the past few months. Nice little homemade radio. Not made a contact on it yet. surprisingly. But hopefully, this will be a contest winner, I can tell. Okay, that's it. That's all for now. Ta-ta for now.